Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Harris Fabric Swivel Chair. Assembly Guide. Included in the box are seat, 5-star chrome base, gas strut, 5 casters, 5 glides, mechanism, 1 Allen key, 4 22mm bolts. All bolts are pre-inserted into their respective holes to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Use the Allen key provided to remove these. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters or glides into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Next, attach the mechanism to the base of the seat using the 4 22mm bolts. The arrow on the mechanism should be pointing to the front of the seat. Once all the bolts are inserted, you can tighten them up. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Next, with the help of another person, lift the chair onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. Please keep the Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your new Harris Fabric Swivel Chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.